have you heard the term disco? Yeah, well, in our industry, it's not a dance, it's disco as in discontinued. And it can be roofing material, it can be windows, it can be siding, it can be any and all of those things on a loss. And sometimes the insurance company says, we're not going to pay for that. And in the policy,
Mhm.
it says very specifically verbiage that is confusing, but also very limiting and can be ambiguous or vague. But the unfortunate part is it usually hinders the ability of the insured to get to pre-loss condition. Chris, what am I talking about, man? And welcome, my friend,
Yeah,
for being
you're
here.
talking about something very important. We're seeing this a lot of in insurance policies. So
Right.
anytime you come across this, please reach out to us as soon as
Yeah. As
possible, just
soon
for
as
the fact
possible.
that we deal with this all day long. And there are certain things that we can look at in a different way to explain it to the insurance adjuster, whatever the case may be. But at the same time, you just got to keep it simple. It's like, okay, as I'm brainstorming this and trying to figure this out for the insured, how do I bring them back to pre-loss condition if there's something that's discontinued? We look at their method of repair, we look at this, we just everything we're going to look at. But that's the number one question: is we have to come to some sort of resolution to bring that insured back to pre-loss condition. And so
Right.
it is jumping over hurdles, when it comes to these types of situations. That's why please get us involved as soon as possible. I mean, this is
Yeah.
just what we do. So
Yeah, this is what we do every single day. We know what to say, we know how to say it, we know who to say it to, and more
mhm,
importantly, most of the time, we know what not to say. And that is one of the things that we see insureds and contractors running into is they're saying
mhm,
stuff that they probably shouldn't say. We're not trying to hide anything, but we're just trying to present it in the right way because we have been in situations where the engineer or the adjuster just needed a clear explanation of what was actually happening. And then they're like, oh, yeah, that does need to be paid for. Really, that's
mhm,
happened multiple times. And it's one of
yeah,
those things that we're just able to communicate in a way that they hear it because we speak the same language that they do, because we do this every single day. So that's why
mhm,
Chris wants you to get us involved as soon as possible. Bellatorclaims.com. Discontinued items can cause a huge headache for
mhm,
the contractor and the insured because of what the policy says. We already know you guys haven't read your policy, but
mhm.
we can do that for you and help you out. So bellatorclaims.com. Let us know how we can help you, especially when it comes to the discontinued materials on your property when you make a property claim. So bellatorclaims.com. We would be honored if you'd give us a like, comment, or share this with the world.